In today's video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in WhatsApp. If you like a cleaner look, want to make WhatsApp more comfortable to use at night, or just prefer dark themes, this video is for you. The whole process only takes a few seconds, so let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once WhatsApp opens, tap the three dots in the top right corner. Now, tap on Settings. Next, scroll down a little and tap on Chats. Inside the Chats menu, you'll see the theme option. Tap on it. Here, you'll see three options. Select Dark, then tap OK to save the changes. That's it. Your WhatsApp will instantly switch to dark mode. If you ever want to change it back, just follow the same steps and choose a different theme. And that's all. That's how you can enable dark mode in WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.